what we see as the for our product, which we call OneView, happens to be, most importantly, real-time analytics, real-time risk capabilities at the front office. No vendor in the industry today can claim real-time capabilities for computing all of the value adjustments. That's very unique. What else we see as really important is that the industry is shifting. We've seen, from the Numerix perspective, 100% adoption of on-prem deployed software. Today, we've seen a drastic shift just over the last 2 years to either cloud-based or to managed service. And as a result of that, we're finding that our customer base, 700 strong, is rapidly adopting our offering in both the cloud as well as a managed service. And finally, I would say that an important aspect of what Numerix does in this space is that when the client or the prospect is not ready yet for our product called OneView, which simply put is the ability to bring together front office and middle office risk in a single platform, and they're looking at other offerings that are not in line with that, they may look to build themselves. We can snap out the technology stack, our platform, that enables a client to build any kind of application they so desire, simply because underlying to this platform is the industry standard pricing and risk analytics that Numerix has been delivering to this industry for 20 years. The way that Numerix will help its clients during 2019 is that our product is a complete product. It's an application. And as a result, it can be deployed any way that client wants, on-prem, the cloud, or as a managed service. So we're ready to provide an application that provides all of the fixed capabilities that one would expect in an application to be able to get to the price or get to the risk that they require. And therefore, that is very different in the industry today. And lots of companies are looking for more of a fixed position. So we're prepared to help our clients because we are the leaders in front to risk, which simply put is the ability to do front office and middle office risk in a single platform. We are the only company doing this in real time. So we will help all of our 700 clients to bridge from what might have been once a pricing relationship we had into this risk world. I believe that our success in the RiskTech 100 is that we've built technology that makes a difference because we pioneered the pricing space for multi-asset class pricing and won that war all the way back in 2008. We began this journey to build out the risk capabilities that we provide today all the way back in 2010. And what makes us completely unique is that banks are going through transformations. Just as Numerix went through its transformation to become the pricing and risk company it is today, the leader in risk, banks have a plethora of systems at the front office. Our pedigree is the front office. And as a result, we can aggregate all of the data from all the different systems that those clients may have. We can bring it together, and because we have this unique ability to provide all of the value adjustments, do the front office risk in real time, we can then apply that against the capability of bringing all this data together. And then once we provided those risk reports, we can pass all that information back into the system that they're using as the book of record. And so what does that mean? It means that banks can begin over the next couple of years as they deploy us to dismantle those costly legacy systems that they have, put us in place with the company they see as their standard for the book of record, and have two platforms in place or two systems in place, and cut out old legacy technology that's causing greater cost to them, inability to meet the needs of regulatory matters around the models that they're using, because in many cases they can't be supported. We are uniquely positioned, and this is why I feel we've been on this RiskTech 100 list for so many years now. And we're proud to be here in this position again. Complete domination of the marketplace. We take no prisoners. We're a business that has managed at each interval to thrive, work our way through this forest. Sometimes you don't know how you're going to get to the other end, but because we're an inquisitive group of people within this company, we're constantly challenging ourselves. We're constantly trying to find the right path. We're the company that became the leaders in multi-asset class pricing by pioneering that space. We've done the same thing in the risk world, leveraging the richness of our 75 PhD quants that have built out all the pricing algorithms and risk algorithms that you would find in a JP Morgan. This makes us really unique. We're the only company standing privately held that can make that claim. So we're in a great position to navigate through to dominance in this world market. And the goal is to get to a public offering in the coming years and continue to acquire companies as we've just started that journey about a year ago. Thank you.